Since it's difficult to tell which ones are which, performance class, in fact the first boat that came across the Orange Buoy was Norm Church in Obsession. He's the leader of the performance class at this point in time. Ted Yeager of Opus Dei, with Opus Dei. Brian Herbster, Lively. Christopher Herbster, CC Ryder, round out the performance class. The performance class today. The cruising class include Philip Cornett with Sail Away from the Smyrna Yacht Club, Albert Riel of the Halifax River Yacht Club with La Vida Sante, Smyrna Yacht Club's David Smith with Incommunicado, Copperhead, captained by Todd Stapleton of the Halifax River Yacht Club, Dan Milkey from EYC on Strange Bird, Dave Huff, a Password was amongst the mixed. Randy Gillies of HRYC, as was Dave Huff. Randy Gillies and Godspeed round out the cruising class. It's a parade on the ocean.